Dude, my Subaru is broken. It's over. You guys know this. It's been over and done for a long time. I decided to post it on Facebook Marketplace. I think some of you guys also saw that was there, and you let me know, which is pretty funny. I'm offering it for like $2,500. I've knocked the price down a couple different times, but I'm like, hey, you guys, like, I basically just told the story. I'm not trying to freak anybody out or screw anybody over. I'm telling the truth on this car, and I'm pretty honest about it. I think a lot of people see it, think it looks kind of nice, and then they shy away from it after hearing what I have to say about it. I'm like, well, if I can't get cash for this, or a lot of cash for this, maybe somebody who's got a dailyable project that they could trade for this car, they might want to trade. And then I realized that I can do something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, which is trade cars up until I get something that I really, really, really like. And so I've been going back and forth with a lot of different people. You guys, lo and behold, this man here messaged me, and I didn't think much of it at first. I was like, He said, I've got a 1998 Chevy Silverado with a back seat if you want to trade.
Hey, yo!
Bro, at first, I was like, no, absolutely not. No way. No, I don't want a truck, bro. I'm like, look at my car, bro. Look at, this is the kind of guy that I am. That's the kind of guy I am. I'm not a truck person. Then I started realizing a 98 Silverado is generally relatively reliable. At least the motor's reliable. It's a running car, which is something that I don't have. And it can get my family around, which is something I don't have. And it's also very tradable, which is something that I don't have. So I'm thinking, you guys, I'm going to embark on a journey of trading up and up and up. And the first trade is going to be this Silverado. The guy said he's coming Sunday, so we'll see if he shows. And if he does, it might be the best first step towards getting something that I really, really like. Even more huge news. I am moving this week. We've been renting for a little bit from my father at his house. This house, dude, I cannot afford this home that I stand before you in front of. We're renting for my father, and we're buying our own house this week. New car, new house. 3 new things all kind of at one time, literally within 1 week. A lot of title transfers, dude. A lot of title transfers. This is sick.
One eternity later.
I'm not exactly sure where we left off the last time I was talking to you. I know that it was something like selling my Subaru for a car or a truck or something. This is what I ended up getting. As you can see, it's a little rough. It's a little bit rough. It's got some, I guess you could say, some charm, some character. And we finally just bought, this was probably 5-6 months ago. We got our own crib. Bro, let me give you a little tour of the property, because there's something here that I'm very excited about that I need you to see. But this thing, what they think that it was like for animals to be in. What I'm thinking is we tear this part down and we make it into a garage. This thing is basically open in here. I don't know if we can. It's actually infested with bees too, so I'm risking my life, brother. Can you see in there? A little bit. I mean, the fact that you can see in there is not a good sign. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. I'm missing my head thing because I left it at work. I'm also with a guest in the car today. We have my daughter. So, I mean, like, dude, look at the state of the dash. Obviously, the radio doesn't work, so I've got the JBL coming through. It's like a speaker, it projects out. Really, the whole dash is just like it's kind of broken. Like, you can tell that whoever did this, whoever had it before, didn't really know how to wire anything, just because it's all wired like that. I mean, dude, like, they really really did a number on it. I also haven't really cleaned it up at all, so I think I might try to vacuum it right now too. Take it and get a little vacuum done. Yeah, that should be good. Let's see how it goes. So you ready? We're gonna go fast, okay? It doesn't sound bad. It actually sounds pretty good. I've got a plan though with this car, or with this truck, I mean. I'm thinking that the plan is to have it be like JDM street inspired JDM style. Like I'm gonna lower it. I'm thinking putting like a JDM style exhaust on it. Okay, listen to this. JDM style exhaust and everything. That's the plan. That style is really cool, and I haven't seen it a lot with like older American trucks. I was like toying around with AI. I'll throw up a couple pictures of what I kind of like my vision is with it. If you guys know of any like sponsor companies that would be willing to sponsor this build, please let me know. I didn't think that getting sponsored would be a feasible feat until now. So yeah, I'm just gonna vacuum this thing up and maybe get a couple more pulls in. Oh, that's why it's weak. Hold on, Steve. It's not like the best. So I also know that you can do a lot of upgrades to these. I've got the 5.7, and this is also the 4-wheel drive version of the Silverado. So it's got like the best like framework to make a nice truck. Wow! I know that the frame is not bad. I'm not worried about the frame. Wow! Wow! Whoa! It's just like, I don't know, it might be like exactly what I need to like have enough fun to rip, but not be like so dangerous that it's gonna put me in prison. I'm in denial. The whole point I think of this is that I'm going to use this truck and maybe my bike to trade up. I did get that bike for $500 and it is in really good condition. It was like the barn find of all barn finds. Hold on. It's kind of sweet. Shit, I might keep it, bro. I also want to officially establish this series as trading my Subaru until I get a GTR. That's the series. I think that a GTR is a semi, it's sort of an attainable goal. And I'm not going to specify which GTR, and I'm not going to specify if it runs or not. But I am gonna trade my Subaru until I get a GTR. That's the challenge. That's the challenge. If you're interested in seeing me do that, please, you guys, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and if anybody has a GTR and wants this truck, hit me up. If not, thanks for watching. Peace.